Apparently the bloke behind the bar is the biggest bloke in town and he's an inch and a half shorter than me, so...
We're going to walk over the top. Okay, that was a pretty decent surf. Came in, tide turned and doubled them up a bit now, but that was pretty fire, some of them. Hopefully it actually looked alright on video. You. There's loads of them. Had a little surf, saw loads of lizards, starfish. Now we're going to head back to Little Town, we need to refuel, and then off to Streaky Bay, I think. Not be too sure on the plan for the next couple of days, haven't really planned much, but we're going to see what happens. Really alright for cast today. Streaky Bay. I mean, it's fine, but I wouldn't say there's anything crazy about it. Now we're off the camp. Here we go, going to try and get to Adelaide tomorrow. The camp's about 3.5 hours away from here. And then tomorrow we'll do 4.5 to get to Adelaide. might get a bit of rain later. I'm confident very dark. Hopefully. Hopefully it cools it down as well, it's hot. Currently chasing, running away from the big scary clouds. Hopefully, well, hopefully it cools it down as well, it's hot. You put up the back ones as well.
Ooh.